You are one secret tag away from making your AI voice sound like a professional voice actor, and I will show you how to do that. If your AI voices sound robotic, you're missing the real V3 techniques. Forget the old tricks. Today, I'm revealing the 3 critical secrets pros use to get truly emotional, human-like performances. Listen to this.
I can't believe it! The algorithm finally worked. I'm completely stunned.
That level of control is not luck, it's technique. And I found a library of over 1,800 hidden tags that will 10 times your creativity. Watch this entire video, and I will give you the link to access that entire library. Now let's dive into the 3 secrets you need. The first secret starts with your settings. You must adjust the stability setting, which is labeled Creative, Neutral, and Robust. If you select Robust, you get clean perfection, no mistakes, but it's boring and robotic. If you select Creative, it gets wildly emotional and unpredictable. For human-like narration, you must choose Neutral. This setting avoids the flat perfection of Robust and the wild chaos of Creative. This is the perfect balance, giving the AI permission to have those realistic, human-like inflections and sound like it's actually thinking. Let's listen. Here is a sentence with the Robust setting. That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. Now here is the exact same line with the Neutral setting. That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. Hear the difference? That's your new starting point. Select Neutral. Next, let's control the flow. A robot reads a sentence. A human performs it. Your first tool is simple punctuation. If you want to add extra emphasis and emotional stress, just use capital letters. The V3 model is trained to see capitals as a sign to increase the energy on that word, making it stand out. Your second non-technical tool is the pause. A real speaker breathes. The easiest way to add a small, hesitant pause is with an ellipsis, just like this. Now, for total control over timing, we use the simple audio tags. You just type pause right into your script and the AI will add a natural beat for you. For a longer silence, you can use the long pause tag. Let's combine them. Instead of the answer was none of them, let's write and the answer, pause, was none of them. And the answer was none of them. See? Now it's a performance. You've built tension, a natural break, and a powerful final word. This is the core of the V3 model and the most powerful tool, audio tags. Forget all other emotion prompting. The V3 model uses these simple commands you write in square brackets right in your script, and the AI will perform that action. It doesn't read the tag, it does the tag. For example, if you want a character to whisper, you just write, whispers, I know the secret. Want them to laugh? Write, laughs. That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. The model will actually laugh and then say the line. This versatility is what makes V3 so incredible. The same action tags work for sighs, gasps, clears throat, and even sniffles. You can use tags for emotional tone, sorrowful, angry, excited, calm. You can even specify voice quality, like in an Australian accent, or like a pirate. The model is surprisingly capable. This is where you really become a director. You can layer them. Watch this. Let's make a movie trailer line. The prompt could be, whispers dramatic, in a world. Long pause. One man shouts angry, had enough. In a world. One man shouts, had enough. See, we combined a whisper, a dramatic tone, a pause, a shout, and an angry tone all in one. To maximize your time and credits, always test your tags in small batches first, before rendering a long script. This is how you get the demo quality audio. This is complete creative control. So let's recap the new V3 workflow. 1. Set your foundation. Choose neutral stability. 2. Control the flow. Use capitals and the simple pause tag. 3. Direct the performance with audio tags like sighs and whispers. Now, as promised, here is your access. The link for the 1,800 tag library is waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tools.